So what are the credit rating agencies rating definition? So all these credit rating agencies have their own mechanism of assigning a rating to a particular investment, whether it is assigning a rating to the government or it is to the corporates or to any other financial instruments. Let's see a few of them as an example. So here are the way we rate these three companies, that is Moody's, S&P and Fitch rate to different investment destinations. For example, Moody's, S&P and Fitch, all three rate AAA to a particular investment which is of highest quality, extremely strong and capacity to meet financial obligations. So that's what we call AAA rated companies, where all three of them, whether the rating has come from Moody's or S&P or Fitch, all of them have given AAA. Now this might change. This might change. I mean, Moody's can give AAA to a particular entity, though the S&P might have given it AA plus, which is slightly lower than AAA. So they have their own parameters of deciding on what should be the ratings that should be given to a particular investment, be it bonds or stocks. So the next is your AA1 or AA plus, that is AA1 is from Moody, AA plus goes by Fitch and S&P. AA2, so it's alphanumeric, mainly alphanumeric for Moody's apart from AAA, and it's generally AA plus for Fitch and S&P. Then it goes as AA minus, then it will go to A minus, and next would be your BBB plus, BBB minus, then BB plus, then BB minus, and so on, and alphanumeric keeps there for Moody's. So you can see these are the different ratings that will be given to different establishments on the basis of the analysis that has been done by these rating agencies. So definitely, if C is given by Moody's or D is given by S&P or Fitch, this means they really fail to pay one or more of its financial obligations. So these are some of the things that we should understand what these ratings say. So when we see this kind of ratings, it gives us the idea what kind of analysis has been done by these rating agencies and how reliable is a particular investment. So it's very important for all the investors to take help of these ratings, to refer to these ratings before deciding on their investment decisions.